Welcome to this video. I'm going to show how to fix connection issues. Click search bar and type CMD. Right-click command prompt and click Run as administrator. Type the following I mentioned commands by one: ipconfig flush DNS, net sh winsock reset, exit, right-click Ethernet and open Network and Internet settings. Click Advanced Network Settings. Click More Network Adapter Options. Right-click your network and click Properties. Click Internet Protocol version 4 and click Properties. Click Use the following DNS server addresses. Type 8.8.8.8. Type 8.8.4.4. Click OK. Click Close. Close Windows. And restart PC. If that didn't work, right-click Ethernet and open Network and Internet settings. Click Advanced Network Settings. Click Network Reset. Click Reset Now. Click Yes. Click Close. Close window. And restart PC. Problem solved. Like and subscribe.